They have EPCOT 40 banners out here on the pillars outside the front gate. How's it going, everyone, and welcome to another Disney related episode here on the channel. It's been a while since I've done one of these, and no better way to kick things back up into full gear at the Disney parks than being here on a very special day, because today is actually the 40th anniversary of EPCOT, one of my all-time favorite theme parks. I've been coming here since a kid. Now, we were here kind of late to the party. I know some people were here as early as 7 a.m. I don't know why they were here that early. It's not like a new ride opening or anything where you have to be front of the line. I know a lot of people were going crazy about all the merchandise. I personally have not seen anything that piques my fancy. I will definitely take a look at it later though while we're here. And then just overall have a great day at the park, because it is an anniversary not only for the park but also Remy's Ratatouille adventure. I was here last year, 1 year ago to the date. October 1st is when this video is being filmed. So I was here exactly 1 year ago and putting together one of my personal favorite vlogs that I've ever done on the channel. You could hit the card up here wherever it is if you were watching on a desktop or the YouTube app to watch that video, but of course finish this one first. But guys, with all that being said, let's head on into the park and overall have a great day here at EPCOT. Now, upon entering, you may notice something different. The in-park audio loop and music is actually different than what normally plays here. That is because it is classic EPCOT music from years past. Don't know if that's just something they're doing today or for the whole year as the celebration continues. I don't know, but I am definitely loving the whole vibe it's bringing. Commemorative park maps? Don't mind if I do. I definitely love how they do these for any special day at the Disney parks. Very cool. Very glossy design. I love it. Looks like Moana Journey of Water is starting to come together. You can kind of see it right over there across over the construction walls. And if you look, the sign over here says to get into Creations Shop for all the EPCOT 40th merch, you actually have to pass this way around Spaceship Earth instead of this way, which you would typically go to get into the store. I'm just gonna go and check out how long the line is and maybe come back later when it's more manageable. Okay, now that I stopped at the Starbucks in Connection, had to obviously get my Starbucks coffee, and then also, what's also interesting is the EPCOT 40 Leisure Waffle that they have here. I normally don't get any of the special foods that they have at the parks, so I'm intrigued to, already dropping some of the sprinkles. Alright, let's just bite into this. Now, it surprisingly doesn't really taste like a waffle, oddly enough. It's really good. It kind of tastes like almost like a soft, flaky cupcake, if that makes any sense. It's actually very good. Now, though, it's very good, but overall just way too sweet or sugary. I could hardly finish it. But now let's hop on Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, because I did make a virtual queue reservation to come back, and I have already been called. So let's hop in line and go do this now.
Eager to learn the answers to these questions and so much more about your world.
Welcome, EPCOT-tarians. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. You made it! I mean, of course you did.
Watching Terrans for beyond. This species has failed. Your time is over.
Wait, what? We're getting so big. The jump point is closing. No one can stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done? I think we're jumping back.
Oh, crud. Is that the thing? The Big Bang! I think bigger.
You gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator! Wait!
destroy you.
We get that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay.
We're here.
It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Lucky coordinates for EPCOT.
It's EPCOT.
Remind me to raise our rates.
I am it.
And just like that, I got Disco Inferno for my 28th ride saving the galaxy as I almost fall down the stairs right now. The Harmonious barges have a special look for the 40th. And now not only the park is celebrating an anniversary, but also a familiar rat ride. So, let's go for a ride. What you got for me, Aiden?
I mean, I'm scanning people in through lightning lane.
Scan right here.
No.
Scan right here.
Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Les invités pour le dîner.
Here. Hein? Vous n'aurez pas idéal. En commun? No. A simple omelet? Too simple. What? Mais oui, that's it! Hey guys! The food is for them, not you! What are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Out of my way! Bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino.
And for you, ain't this way. You are always welcome at Bistro Chez Remy.
Welcome to Remy.
This girl stole my cup of water from the creeper. Give that back.
Here's cast member. Cast member stole my water. That's your thumbnail. Cast member stole my water.
Now pose. I've got nothing. I'm tired. She stole my water though.
40th Remy's.
Yeah.
Don't I mean happy?
Happy 40th, Papa de Remy.
Hi.
Hi. Now, I still really enjoy Remy's Ratatouille adventure here at EPCOT, despite some negative criticism, but also I just overall have grown to appreciate this attraction since I have called it my home for the last 8 months working here as a cast member. So that definitely has something to do with my love for the ride. And now let's come on down here into International Gateway, just to step outside of the park for 1 second and then come back in, because I hear they're handing out commemorative posters for the 40th, which I'm very excited to get my hands on.
There you go.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, this is pretty cool actually. This commemorative EPCOT 40 poster that you can only get today, whether you're leaving the park. I was curious if they were only going to do it at the main gate out in the front of the park, but I guess they're also handing them out over here in IG at International Gateway to grab. So definitely be sure to pick yours up on the way out of the park today. And now heading back into the park.
do that finger flash. Lovely to find.
Thank you. All right, so now we are making our way over to Creations Shop to hop in this massive line to go check out some of the new merchandise that released today. And naturally, with these limited time releases, the line stretches all the way back here. It is a little better than what it was this morning because I heard it was actually all the way down past the Imagination Pavilion, past the Land Pavilion, and all the way to Nemo and Friends, and all the way over to Nemo and Friends. Alright, change of plans. We decided not to wait in this line because they said it was going to take 45 minutes to an hour, and I guess we've got places to be. So we will definitely be back another day to check it out. And looking in through the window out here, I don't know how well you can see that. You can kind of get a glimpse at some of the merchandise they have. At least one of the t-shirts, and is that a Loungefly? And here are some of the t-shirt designs that they do have available. And I don't know why this is my favorite piece of merchandise, but it is the little figments with the EPCOT 40 logo on them. Here's another quick shot at some of the merchandise. You got some cookie jars, some water bottles, more t-shirts back there, a sweatshirt, hoodie. You probably can't tell at all what I'm showing you, but believe me, they're there. And well, friends, just like that, she's 40 years old. EPCOT, beautiful park. I don't care what you have to say about some of the new additions they've been making. They've been making some excellent improvements, and the 40th celebration feels just as magical as the 50th was last year. I also spent the 50th last year here at EPCOT over Magic Kingdom, and because it was the opening day for Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, that also made it feel special. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching another episode of ParkTwister here on the channel. If you're new around, be sure to like and subscribe down below, or I mean, like the video if you've been around for a while. But also, if you're new, definitely leave a big thumbs up down below. That definitely helps me out. Don't know if you could tell, I think there's like a bad sun glare where I decided to stand coming from above Spaceship Earth. Anyway, I'm getting off track here. And with Twisters, I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.